The key word to note here is they can. Yes, you got it correct. This is not mandatory and auto companies can choose to do this or totally skip it. 6 airbags, which was to be implemented in 2023 in all Indian cars, are no longer mandatory. Hello viewers, welcome to Indian Jimny Explorer. In today's video, we will talk about a very important topic, safety of Indian cars. Please watch this video till the end and kindly do share with your friends and family for awareness. When you plan on buying a car, what are top 2 or 3 factors you look in a car? Maybe the looks, or mileage, seating capacity, or budget perhaps. But what about safety? For most of us Indian car buyers, safety usually does not come in the top 3 factors, and it is time we change that. India is the third biggest car market in the world. Last year, that is in 2022 alone, 38.9 lakh passenger vehicles were sold. These are some fantastic business numbers. However, there is also the sad truth. India reports 48 accidents, which causes 18 deaths every single hour. What does this tell us? This points directly to the safety standards of Indian cars. How do we fix this? The good news is the Government of India is focusing on car safety, and the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways have confirmed that Bharat NCAP, that is New Car Assessment Program, will be officially started from the 1st of October 2023. There are already various testing centers that are set up in different parts of India. To put it simply, this is a crash test, and let's see how this works. Car manufacturers can sign up for this assessment from Bharat NCAP. The key word to note here is they can. Yes, you got it correct. This is not mandatory and auto companies can choose to do this or totally skip it. But once they sign up, they are tested on 2 things. One, structural integrity, and second, passenger protection details. That is how safe passengers are when the car crashes. Based on these tests, each car gets a rating which is between 0 star and 5 star, where 0 is the worst and 5 is the best. Just to be clear, these ratings do not have any impact on the sales. Even if a car gets a 0 star, the car can still be sold provided there are buyers to buy it. Now, why do we even bother testing the cars? But here are some reasons we need to consider. One, it gives the customer an idea. That is, if you prefer safety over everything else, then chances are you will prefer a car with higher safety rating. And secondly, for car manufacturers, these ratings will give more credibility on their models. This could also help their export numbers to other countries. Overall, safety is one area where the Indian cars have fallen behind in the global crash test. Most of the Indian models have fared very poorly. Let's see a few examples of Indian cars and their global safety rating. Maruti Eco 0 star, WagonR 1 star, Hyundai i10 2 star, Creta 3 star, Kia Seltos 3 star, well, these are some of the best selling cars in the country, but their safety rating is poor. In India, car manufacturers focus on only features and mileage. The safety has always been a secondary concern, probably an expensive concern. Why is that? I mean, if you look at the safety features, the cost will increase, and India is a very price sensitive market. So the car makers cut the corners on safety regulations. The whole idea of Bharat NCAP is to urge car makers to make safety as a selling point. There are many agencies across the globe which conducts the crash test, and one such major agency is Global NCAP. If a same car is sent for assessment in Global NCAP and another NCAP agency, let's say Australian NCAP, will the assessment rating be the same? Probably not. Let's take an example of Scorpio N, which got a 5-star rating in Global NCAP, but Australian NCAP testing got a rating of 0. Let us hear from a car reviewer, carexpert.com, from Australia on Scorpio N.
Let's talk about safety. This is probably something that disappoints me about this car. There is no autonomous emergency braking, and I don't know, it's one of those features that you find on, as far as I'm aware, every single car on sale today that isn't like a hardcore sports car. And to think that this is a family vehicle that doesn't have this very, very basic safety technology, I think is very disappointing.
If you're wondering how come a same car gets different rating when assessed in different agencies, don't worry, you are not alone. Wait, there is more. The 6 airbags which was to be implemented in 2023 in all Indian cars are no longer mandatory. And why is this? One of the large car manufacturers in India did not agree to this. So far, 30 car models have signed up for this test, which is going to start from the 1st of October. The irony is, this is just a fraction of all the car models that are on sale today. For now, Maruti has queued 3 of their models for Bharat NCAP testing.
To start with, we have already offered the Grand Vitara, the new Brezza, and the Baleno for testing.
Time will tell how Bharat NCAP will shape the safety of Maruti cars. Are we going to see further increase in the business, or could there be a decline? We have to wait and watch. Indian car buyers also need to start thinking differently. Safety is no longer a luxury, and it is now a basic necessity that we should be entitled to. Personally, I think voluntary rating will not help, and legally enforcing some regulations should help the safety of Indian car standards. Testing and rating should be made compulsory, and there should be minimum threshold on the ratings before the car goes to the showroom. Example, 0 and 1 ratings in car, they should not even be allowed to sell. But that's just me and my thoughts. What do you think about leaving the decision to car makers if they want to send their model to Bharat NCAP? Will this help India move towards safety revolution? Please do share your thoughts in the comment section. We will soon meet in our next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching this video.